Affiliate list boat review. Hi guys, what's up? This is Arvind from arvind-naya.com and a warm welcome to affiliate list boat review and demo. So as you can see, I am right now showing you the members area. This is the members area, and also I will take you through the sales page, and I will in this particular video tell you exactly what this particular product does and how this product operates. So please stay tuned till end of this video. I'm going to give you exciting bonuses if you purchase this product through my link down below. So please continue watching, and let's get into what this product is all about. So affiliate list boat is a web-based application or a cloud-based application which creates instant campaigns, affiliate marketing campaigns, and also reseller right campaigns, which will bring you instant traffic and also which will help you to create list. So if you are looking to start affiliate marketing using platforms like ClickBank, JVZoo, etc., this is a product you are looking for, right? So before going into detail and taking you through the members area, as I told, I have created exclusive bonuses if you purchase this particular product through the link down below. If you're watching through the YouTube, if you're coming through the email, then you can stay on this page, right? So I will take you through my bonuses first. So the first bonus I'm going to give you is monetize any shared images shared on social media. So this bonus will help you in terms of getting more traffic, and this is a high quality tutorial which tells you how you can actually build more traffic, and potentially more traffic means you're going to monetize that particular traffic using any images which you are sharing in social media. So that's the first bonus I'm going to give you. The second bonus I'm going to give you is three simple techniques to get free traffic system. So as you know, one of the key criterias when we do affiliate marketing, or if you are selling anything on online, even if it is e-commerce, you are affiliate marketing or whatever you name it, you need traffic, and there are ways of getting traffic. One is the paid method and other one is organic. So if you want to do organic, it will take time, but this particular bonus will exactly tell you how to grow your traffic quickly without you going through the paid version of getting traffic. So there's a three simple technique. So that's a bonus number two I'm going to give you. The bonus number three is make $100 via TikTok. How good it is, right? So using your TikTok application, I will tell you exactly how you can actually monetize TikTok, and how you can actually potentially earn commissions and make money using this particular bonus I'm going to give you. So that's a third bonus I'm going to give you. The fourth bonus is I'm going to tell you 10 simple steps for creating a new product. So as you know, affiliate marketing, there are various ways to promote a product so that you can build your subscriber list. So that's not the end goal of affiliate marketing, but it's basically to get commissions once you sell certain products. So there are the various ways to do that, and at the same time there are various techniques you can actually do to get your subscribers or your lists. One of the ways why affiliate marketing is by launch jacking, where you promote a certain product and then someone purchases that particular product and you get that subscriber, or get that details of the subscriber, and then he becomes your a potential subscriber in your list. The second way is, of course, as I told, it's a paid version where you spend money and create traffic to a particular space which you're looking at. And of course, a third method is product creation. And this is the most, what you call, uh, um, fastest way to get subscribers. But if you do it independently, sometimes you might take more time, or it might be, you might think it is not that easy. Yes, it's not easy if you don't know the technique, but if you know the technique, it is very easy. Okay, let me say it's not that very easy, but it is very with a minimal effort you can actually create a product. And once you create a product, potentially what is going to happen is you're going to build a huge following, and you're going to get a huge list of subscribers. So this particular bonus, I told this whole story to tell you that this particular bonus will help you to uh, create a product in 10 simple steps, which will potentially get you a subscriber list without any extra effort while promoting that particular product. So that's the bonus I'm going to give you. The bonus number 5 is 37 ways to profit and build your list. So this would help you to grow your list. Once you have the subscribers, you need to keep the subscribers engaged, and you should make sure that your subscribers get what is required, so that they don't unsubscribe from your list, or they don't even open your emails. Potentially they lose interest, and then what will happen is basically you lose that subscriber. So this particular bonus will exactly tell you how you can actually monetize and potentially grow and keep your subscribers engaged. So that's the bonus number 5 I'm going to give you. Bonus number 6 is I'm going to give you 2000 copy paste emails. So these are not just template, it's a complete email body, which you can use for your email marketing or any type of marketing which you're saying, because email marketing is one of the strongest areas, or strongest areas in currently in internet while doing marketing. So I'm going to give you 2000 templates, which will contain the body, it will contain the subject. So basically, you need to send it across to your subscribers, or once you have a subscriber, send it across to them. So that's the bonus number 6 I'm going to give you. And the final bonus is all the vendor bonuses, which the vendor or the product owner has promised as part of this particular uh, uh, product, or this particular launch, you will be eligible to get. So these are the bonuses. So basically what you have to do is you have to click on any of this blue buttons which is there, you can see, which will take you through the sales page. And this is the sales page. Once you click on the sales page, it will go to Warrior Plus. And potentially what will happen is once you purchase that particular product, you can see there is in your purchase history, you can see a blue button which will pop up to access your affiliate bonus. And if you click on access your affiliate bonus, all your bonuses will be available for you. So again, if what you have to do is, if you're watching through YouTube, click on the link down below, it will take you through this particular page. If you're watching through my email, then you don't have to click, you are in the same page. And click on this, it will take you to the sales page. Once you click on sales page, get started, it will take you through the Warrior Plus platform, where you can purchase the product and you can access all the bonuses along with the product from your purchase history under this particular tab. So guys, that's about the my bonuses. But again, just have to reiterate that all my bonuses would go down once the timer hits 0. These are something which I don't want you to lose out. I've exclusively created for you, and I doubt that you will find any of these bonuses which are available outside. This is just custom made by me. So if you're interested, if you can go, if you're interested in this product, go ahead with this particular link, and you will take you to the product. And of course, you can actually roam around and understand if there are any other interesting bonus you can find. If not, you can come back to this page and purchase this. Right. So let me go through the product in detail. So as you know, as I told, what's profit all about. So one line summary, as I told, Affiliate List Board is a cloud based software which creates complete affiliate marketing campaigns and resell right campaigns that gets traffic and build the buyer list. This software allows customer to profit and build a list as a product owner and affiliate, giving them the same system for your customer, right? So Affiliate List Boat will sell 10 of the top selling softwares from JVZoo, ClickBank, and Warrior Plus, and you can keep 100% of that profit and generate that leads. As I told, you can actually, these are softwares. So there are two types of things basically which are listed in JVZoo, ClickBank. Majority for affiliate marketing is, one is a software and one is info products. Yeah, and that's the first part. You're saying 10 top, this product will already have done for you 10 top selling softwares from ClickBank, JVSU, and Warrior Plus, and even Amazon. And then it has got 100 top selling affiliate programs on JVSU, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and Amazon. They will be able to promote these product and build a list at the same time for each of these 100 products. Now, this is the key thing. Each of these 100 products you will get done for your videos, which are already professionally created. You don't have to do anything. This product will give you. You will get a headline and a sales copy, and you will get a pre-created links. So you just need to replace with your own link. That's as simple as that. So in a nutshell, how it looks like, you will get 20 into affiliate funnels, you get 10 resell rights, you get 100 preloaded videos, you get 100 affiliate campaigns, unlimited buyer list as a byproduct, and unlimited buyer traffic. So these are the byproducts. So this is what the whole product looks like. Now it is very simple as well. It's just 5-step process. So basically what you need to do is log into affiliate list both via the browser. You can choose from 100 products or promote anything from that list. Choose 20 video sales letter and squeeze page template. Among, you can actually select, there are already pre-designed 20 video sale letter. So you select, for example, you select a particular product. Against that, you can actually select a video, and then that's it. Customize the template, and then upload the design, and that's it. So you just send it out to the traffic, and you're going to get it. Now, before going to the members area, I have already a demo is already available here. Yeah, so I've already put a demo, so I won't be going in detail into the demo of this particular product. What I'm going to show you is the members area, and basically this is the members area which looks like. So basically you have to log in. There is also an option for signing up for a free $900 day training. You can actually register if you're interested. And then this is where the place where you have to actually, I'm not going into the site because I don't want to go there. It's very simple. It's as I told. So this is your affiliate list software. You have to click on it. It goes into the software, and you can select uh, whatever basically the software, or you want to select affiliate programs. You remember what I told? There are 20 software programs which are available, which you can actually sell, and there are 100 affiliate programs which you can sell from ClickBank, from JVZoo, which are tried and tested. So these are well converting products which are available in these platforms. So if you want, you can click and download the affiliate listboard campaign file. So basically, this campaign file is an Excel sheet which will tell you what are the various campaigns which are there, right? What are the various video sales letter against it, and so you can actually, they will give a link. So what you need to do is just select those and do it, or copy it and paste, and then you can actually do it. So this is another start guide. So these are some of the things which are downloads. I don't want to download and show you. That's the reason I'm telling you as a demo. It's in my bonus page. You can actually go and see it. So this is the second step. The third step is, again, watch the training video. So if you're not aware of what I've told, or if you have any confusion, then they have in the members area the training video, which you can actually go and watch this particular video, so you are completely clear on what this does and how it works. All those stuff is there. And yeah, so and in case you find any problems, then you can actually support the the support team. So this is a members area. As I'm just going through the sales page now, it's a regular sales page. I'm not going to in detail with the sales page because you can actually read it. If you are, as I told, click on any of my links down below, and it will take you to a sales page. So it's a typical sales page which will contain basically some testimonials, some challenges which I've overcome, and what this product will help you to overcome those challenges, and then some examples of getting paid using this particular product. So just reading the headline. So as I told, 557 sorry 576-day auto commission. I don't really know how they have arrived at 576, but it's a catching thing, so it's good. 576-day auto commissions from ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and Amazon buyers. And you have got 400k reseller rights basically, and 100 done for your system. So as I told, you've got all your 100% done for your sites, 100% commissions for all the products you're selling. You will get free traffic. You are going to keep all the leads. Become a super affiliate. You get 400k reseller rights, unlimited funnels. Add any autoresponder to it so that you can actually capture your subscribers. There is no hosting required, and it's a newbie friendly. So that's the starting of the sales page. But I'm going to skim through. I'm going to just show you. Yeah, this is some of your monetization which they have done, and again some screenshot of monetization using this particular software. Um again some monetization, how much earnings they have made using this. I'm just again on the monetization. Again, monetization. I'm just trying to check the product owners if they are here. Okay, so these are the bonuses. I don't think they have mentioned the owners' names over here, but these are the bonus you're also going to get. Yeah, bonus number one is first one, then second bonus, third bonus. Basically, all your bonuses would be available inside the members area once you purchase this particular product, so you don't have to worry about it. And there are certain, done for you campaigns as well. Yeah, again some monetization, and then you have got a 30 days money back guarantee. Yeah, I couldn't find the owners anyways. um, so this is a sales page. As I told, I'm not going in detail. I don't want to waste your time because you can actually read at your own time. Now what I want to show you is the prices. So the front end price of affiliate list bot is actually $17. It's not even a price of a pizza. So guys, this is really a good offer if you are interested in starting up of your campaigns and affiliate marketing right from ClickBank, JVSU's major products. And this is a product you're looking at for a price of $17. You're going to get all which I've shown, my bonuses, which are valued more than this particular price. And you are also going to get 4-in-1. Front end includes the core 4-in-1 software with 100 affiliate campaigns, 10 resell right campaigns, plus 30-page quick start guide and training videos which I've shown you. It will also contain the squeeze page builder. It will also contain the sales letter builder, and you will have done for your campaigns, 100 sale video letter and affiliate videos. So you'll get 100 campaigns, you'll get 100 sales video, you'll get 100 affiliate video reviews for all those particular campaigns which are there. Now that's a front end for $17. That's a bargain. That's something which you should not miss it out. And what the vendors or the product owners are saying is they might increase on an hourly basis during the launch period itself, and after the launch is over, it might be I don't know what price they're going to sell it after that. So the upsell number, okay, again the launch will get over by I think it's on 12th. Let me check what I've done. Yeah, so it'll be 15th of November. The launch gets over. Yeah, so the upsell number one is unlimited edition. So you can actually upgrade to launch unlimited website funnels with agency rights, so that you can be also resold. As you know, you're getting the agency rights, so you can actually resell this particular one. So that's upsell number one. Upsell number two is Elite Edition. You will get 30 extra campaigns. You will get 5 more reseller like products, and then you're going to get extra 10 design templates. That's 5 video sales letter plus 5 sales page. So upsell Elite edition for $39. Then you have got done for you edition at $197. So what will happen is, the product owners Elite team will have a done for you site, and what all you need is a ClickBank ID. So if you're interested in this upsell, it's good, because they will contain almost every done for you offers in ClickBank. They will do it for you. That's for 197. The upsell number four is resale edition for $197, which will 100% selling of this top selling warrior offer as it owns. So that's upsell number four. Upsell number five is autopilot edition for $39, which will activate 60 times or 60 affiliate programs per day, and over 1,500 campaigns instantly preloaded. So that's the autopilot edition for $39. Upsell number six is mega bundle edition for $97. So you are going to get access to insane 37 software tools, which the owners claim that cost them nearly 300K. So that's the prices. Quickly coming to some of the key benefits. In every review video, I say the key benefits, and also some disadvantages. Let's say pros and cons. So the pros are, it's a 30-second setup. It's a cloud-based system, as you know. So you have to just download it, and then you're ready to go. It's launch instant, done for you super affiliate funnels. As you know, there are 100 affiliate program funnels, and also there are 20 software funnels as well available. Yeah, again, funnel builder software. You can actually create squeeze pages, VSL, etc. Insane done for you content preloaded into app. You have got 50 times done for you affiliate videos for ClickBank, Amazon, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus. You have 10 resell rights. That's another one. So you're going to get 10 resell right products, so you can actually resell how many times you want. You can actually build your list and generate traffic, and it includes training, which is worth of 10K, and it includes training and bonus worth 10K. Which is not included my bonuses. So my bonus is again on top of it. So this is just the bonus value from the vendor. Now this is something which are the pros. Some of the cons are, there are certain areas which lacks is in terms of monetization, or how to get those monetized and get more traffic and create a list. So that is where my bonuses come into picture. If you remember correctly, I'm going to, the first of my bonus is monetize any image on social media, which will help you to monetize and tell you how exactly you can grow your traffic and potentially earn money. And the second bonus, if you look, how to create free traffic again. The third one is again monetization. I'm going to give you another bonus. You can actually monetize those particular techniques, and again build your list. So basing this product creations you can do, and again list, build more profit, build your list, and monetize, or make profit out of your list. And finally, which is the key thing, is your copy paste emails, which is something which is very unique. You don't have to waste a lot of time in creating your emails, and which will save you a lot of time and energy. In fact, emails are some of the strongest way of communication or marketing techniques which is available, which is going to have a long-term impact on your marketing goals and business, right? So guys, so that concludes the review. Hope you like my review. If you like my review, please give a thumbs up to the video, and also subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with another review. Till then, cheers. Thank you.